Julius Ayokabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria.
Good morning, fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians. As on avance for the title for this live show, I say Cameroon, La République du Cameroon get only one option. One. And I will go straight to the point because I want me this show to be very brief. You see, something they will all man where it live for life, you know about new road, new road, where you go someplace for the first time. Where you go someplace for the first time, the place is long. But man, where you work out with people the way they don't go that road before they reach that place, now then they comfort you, tell you, say, no worry. So whatever reach this bending corner, we go reach so. It will be 5 minutes, we'll reach this other village, then we'll pass the village, reach the village. You don't go on road, you work at some time, they go long, they work at the 2 times, they go short. Now so revolution there. For some of we who the activists them, who the online, some people don't even understand why we will remain strong for this fight. Now because we get some special people and the Spirit of God with the whole our hand. So we can inform our people, say, listen, this road not long. It will always seem long, but it's not ever long. If you look at all revolutions that they don't pass, our own are the most successful at this moment. Look all. In fact, our revolution be more successful than the American War of Independence, where we take America more than 8.5 years for win the battle, for send the British on away. Ambazonians, we don't fight this fight for defend ourselves for just 3 years. No money, no weapon, but God, He don't give you the provision. Now, must be very clear. All man must understand one thing. As we move forward, we now go understand say systematically now so our war of independence day. So now why do we Cameroon need to understand because now a good activist be the engine. Now I say they fight all the way for short way down. Now good activists be the engine for the revolution. Because now I will tell fighters and encourage them. Because we don't see. And I be 1,000,000,000% certain say we must win the fight. We must do how? We must win the war. So, no way, no the way Cameroon, if you win Ambazonia. Cameroon is finished. Oh, now that watch me from the bushes, Mommy and Papa, they were refugee camp. We now go back for una beautiful Ambazonia in the months or years ahead. Put yourself for position for the almighty America today. America fight for 8 years plus before it succeed for beat the British. Bougainville for with Papua New Guinea. Bougainville fight for how long? More than 10 years. They kill how many people? 20,000 plus. When Bougainville population even reach 500,000. But they don't succeed. They can't get a referendum. We'll wait very soon. I think there will be a declaration of that country. You see, now so War of Independence Day. When I hear some people come and say, brother, how you see? I say, listen, calm down. Don't be afraid. We are therefore know one thing. Without taking any credit. I feel talk for myself. Say, I be one activist way. If I talk something, I must do it. I will give you a small example that will come now for wait to happen for Boya this today. So, Cameroon government, it know, say so long as every time to be concerned, it can have one option. One, he must pack and leave Ambazonia. That's it. One, not two options. La Republique must leave. And everything be in place. Listen, me be very clear. Say we no ever stay with La Republique du Cameroon. Make it be clear. It no ever happen. Not this generation, not next generation, not for any time. If it takes 50 generations of Ambazonia to fight, we will fight, die, but we must liberate that country. And make a token very clearly on social media. Very clearly. In the days ahead, we will start now for bring out the policy of retaliation, because Cameroon government don't push we right for war. I don't talk many times. Say we all must understand the importance for some things the way some of you talk on social media. Now why that way, no matter what it happen, every tato don't remain stay fast and steady. I talk the truth, I talk the truth. If me, as Eric Tato, to be honest, this is a fact. If I belong just long quiet, say, oh no, you know what? Nipo the system don't leave the thing, most way to happen. I'll be sure say by now the revolution will don't go down by 90%. Because one man will do propaganda. And I go show now proofs. All man the surprise, say, hey, this boy will just talk say something will happen for Boya. Listen, on the 30th of June, I'll be specified. Say I will carry operation for Boya. And then other areas and for Fako. Specified. And I will show that the tweet. And when I see report they have of social media, they report say, oh, they do this for the play Boya, they do this for Tole, they do this for here. How many days? Listen to me. Something in the way you look at. I don't ask for my money. No man. Strategy day. Now why that we don't tweet before say, me Cameroon government know one thing. They don't fit ever win this war. Never. It don't ever happen. Listen. Me they listen very attentively. So long as me, listen now, because my personal effort for you as an activist and the people that support you, now I will liberate Ambazonia. So long as me I believe, we go liberate ourselves. I make it very clear. You see now military, they run go up and down. Now one small man with the American, I make the run so. If they technique easy, anytime one go try to some place, I know what to do. If I announce, I must do it. Yes. So me Cameroon government know, and all the agent provocateur they know say, as far as every type of be concerned, listen, I make them very clear, and if you're nothing again, because as a youth, we come out back home, live in investments, I don't lost everything we concern La Republic du Cameroon, and even inside my own language ambassador. So I will fight for get back our inheritance. Every ambassador must come back for a land. So there is nothing where Cameroon will tell me. You see, they can say, oh, don't go sue every type for court, because Cameroon know very well, say they need for demoralize this guy. But each time they bring those small, crazy procedures, they increase my speech. Make it be very clear. Very, very clear. Say, we get limit for tolerance for our own people, the way they see what with Cameroon government. Time Godot will enter phase 10 for the revolution. It's coming soon. And listen, my turn on one thing, Mami and Papa. I don't quote an example for the American War of Independence. American War of Independence. When I see some people, they can't make noise. For you say, Eric Tato will be future prisoner, will be this. But that's the truth. It's case I don't deny. We get to understand one thing. War of Independence, that's some sacrifice. Where some one man, if Jesus Christ, if he died for the whole world, would be me for not die for Amazonian people. I'm not scared. So me be very clear. Cameroon no say will go. See, ask them how they want to can win. I fit there for a year. I make one phone call. I shut down Bamenda. Yes. Military stand the whole commercial venue. I go tell me they go shoot gun for travelers. Suppose they shoot them on Quen. I know how to do the game. You get the point? I know how to do how to shut down the town. Because by the time military won't come, all man for they don't go the whole place. When you shoot one gun for travelers, listen, nobody tell people they can't say, oh, they draft, they do this. Waste of time. I'm not telling you the only reason why we will ever delay small now, because I believe in a system where our leaders live and they support the corrupt and we no work. If I be know from the beginning, that time, like 2 years ago, I could take the command. This thing will not finish. Will not finish. Bring the strategy there. What will put the floor with, don't finish the thing. I'm not making very clear for Cameroon government. Very clear. Time go day way. If we give deadline, they don't release our prisoners. If you don't release them, might just see the opportunity to announce for any of these agents provocateurs they watch me. Say the number one thing where they get for no. And I say, the strongest man now, where do the revolution now? Now Eric Tato. Fact, I take that credit by myself. Strongest. And the strongest man where they online and where they free and where they get the highest following. They get the highest strategy on the ground. I talk about Boya. When I don't see him, it don't happen. Any player I call him, it will happen. And the talk say, make Cameroon government know one thing. Say, make the release all I put for jail, because now the only thing that way it will bring me for middle ground. For so I feel every start listen. Say every time to calm down. So make them make sure so they release every one bit of ambassador waiting for jail. That's the first thing. So anybody out there, they make noise, say, oh, yeah, they be this, they be that, or the rest and so on, the Sakopo, they can make noise. It's a waste of time because the strongest man does not support them. That's the point. They put it for jail, the ally and me. I support and put it for jail. Now, why that way? Some meeting that will go on for your own day anytime soon, today or something. I will announce them for you. I talk so because I don't want to make a bring conspiracy. So, essentially, look at our other brothers and for Bisonabang, they carry strong attack. Very good. Bisonabang is hot. Bisonabang attack, not be me I do, but no put it wrong. No me I do the mission, but are they inside the system, follow up which will happen. But I be specify my attack for Boya. I don't take the responsibility. I need to fear. Now wartime, we not go tolerate any form of invasion from the Republic of Cameroon. No, that will not happen. It should be clear. See, now say some people they know still understand what is going on. Now why that we must remain very focused. Very focused. Cameroon government don't finish. They be too broke, very poor. You see the whole meeting say, oh, they want to empower local production and so on and so forth. So, time COVID-19, other people up in Natalia Cameroon to get sense of empower. They don't know what they are doing. They are confused. They don't get airline again. Kameko na sham, na share is finished. They don't go borrow money for big ring road. Beg money say coronavirus. President Pope had to go in a bucket them for chantier. Me put use them for use them for coronavirus. So when you look the country will be completely finished. Absolutely. I talk to BWT, absolutely finished. Completely finished. So the strategy already be unveiled. Yes. All we must understand one particular aspect. Cameroon government get one option, only one. Tell Biya and all his ministers who are watching this show, only one option. You go out of Ambazonia. I feel assure you 1,000,000%. You go out of Ambazonia. Yes, you be out. When a minute you don't go, they will say, Boya, this is, I look and laugh. My turn on one thing. Me, Eric Tato. When I talk something, it's very easy to do it. Before I want to talk, I don't plan them. I don't hold the meeting. I can't announce them. You know why I announce them? Because if I not be announced the Boya, actually, I will show them. I will show them very quickly. I will show them very quickly when I see something. Before I continue, I don't talk with some fighters like Kumbu this today. They ordained 9 of our brothers as priests. And that event will be not tomorrow. It will be for St. Therese Cathedral for Kumbu Diocese. Bishop George Mkwo. Now I will preside the ordination. So I don't call for complete ceasefire for tomorrow, for the whole of Bui. So now hear any gun for some place, person in La Republic camp or can't provoke those prisoners. No Ambazonian fighter, will shoot one gun. So tomorrow there is ceasefire in Kumbu. If you hear anything, no say in La Republic and the agent them, I don't announce them ahead of time. May the church be aware. Because I know what the Cameroon government will do. For go disrupt ordination for priests themselves. They'll say, oh, now Ambazonian fighters. No. We have called for a ceasefire in the whole of Bui. Till after the ordination finish. They ordain 9 priests them, 9 deacons them tomorrow, Friday, when on July 3rd. And those, our brothers, them will be peacefully ordained. So any gun for they not be Ambazonian. So me the church be aware, me Vatican be aware, me everybody when a priest, anybody ready for the priesthood anywhere, make the person be aware. There is a complete total ceasefire. Total what? Total ceasefire in the whole of Bui. Total ceasefire in the whole of Bui. Make that one be very clear. Just one quick news. Someone block some fool where they talk about. You know how many computers what the bank have from Nigeria? Door people. Now that's it. So anybody way, as a matter of fact, hear gunshot for inside Bui, no say no be Ambazonian. I want to make that announcement very, very much repeatedly before I continue this show. So as suppose not right after it's a spiritual ceasefire, you can call it any name. will not go attack, never attack an event organized by God. To La République be notorious for key priests, for attack churches, hospitals. So Ambazonian fighters will not. They told me, and we'll discuss it, and I'm saying it in public, that there is no action in the whole of tomorrow, Kumbu especially. So the priests are free to go for the ordination. Although there was some small shooting in the morning today around Kumbu and other areas, but tomorrow, no shooting. Any noise for gun we hear for Kumbu, tomorrow, Friday, National La République, the one can bring that scatter. So I don't talk and think it be important for we for know that one. Without said, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, as I be talk, I will just try for touch base small. Hold on. So, as I be talk, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, all I get for know one thing. La République du Cameroon be a little bit crazy. And I will explain why. That's the anxiety done, their blood adrenaline don't increase by 1 billion. They are confused. Now, I will talk only yesterday, before I was shown a proof of the thing that we talk about Buea. Only yesterday, I will talk about the UN Security Council for my show. And I asked a simple question. Say, between the UN Security Council and the HD, when that Swiss NGO where they produce one at chocolate or they do now which they claim to the one can do negotiation. I answer now which one would prefer them? All man right now, UN. Like two people the way they from the pick the Sako camp, they make noise in the one at HD. Only as we talk, the UN Security Council don't call for by force ceasefire. And their eye then are on La République du Cameroon because they've already they've already started the first Cameroon government for bring that ceasefire. So when I look at how my activism, my insight, it disgraced Chris Anu and Karinda and the rest of them, if you only give thanks to God, because the Ambazonian people, now I tell I say, the issue about this revolution, not be for concentrate for the sheer propaganda and to make fake audios. The reality come to place. Now Boya was dead, completely dead. I talk to you, I don't do nothing. I woke up on the 30th, I write for my Twitter, I did it. Everybody where it follow up know that one very well. I will show them. So that means all man see them from what they be surely miss on the Twitter. Now in this show. I will tweet on the 30th. Now in that I used now University of Buea their entrance. I thought I don't finalize meetings with a special squad to take on Buea and other areas in Fako. Say following the disgraceful and provocative video from Buea on June 30th, because on June, some disgraceful video will come away. This criminal, they call it waiting on my control, work at the show how Buea, the phone show. I said, okay, I'll shut it down. So now the video that right there, this thing, then I think and only for announcing which happened, I don't read them all over social media. Everywhere is hot. Everywhere is hot in Buea. And ask yourself, say, 30th, 2 days after, the Eric to get a magic. No. It's the plan. And the reason, people say, oh, why we talk? I say, listen, when I talk to Buea, I know in which place of Buea. Military is that confused when you even name some place where you don't give specific location. But I began to act for Buea specifically. Specifically. When I don't see the news, when I don't see other areas, we don't talk any further. When I don't see taller, when I see everywhere. So that is the position that I take. When I say it, I do it. Now, when I will see they ask people the way, every time when they can't make noise, anytime they can't make noise, anytime they can't make noise, me they know one thing about me. The strategy, I will tell some assistants, listen, you see the announcement I do, so before I act, it be important. Because now you see, they even take credit. Some of them will take credit, they shame. But the whole of Ambassador know the man will do the action. I know can ask some man say, I know I do the action, cash you and they say, oh, give me $100. My go continue the action. I need ask no more money. No way. Now when I don't talk, I talk about my Twitter, I get the capacity. La Republic knows I get the potential for single-handedly, for sponsoring the war for future. They know. They don't see what I do, they know very well. Now I see the Moka attack Eric to go so he will go court. As I talk, I attend no court for California, not concern me, that's propaganda, I know my business. So me, all man know that one very clearly. All man get to know when I announce at the act. So now I make noise, when I the draft, when I draft a motion boya, but now one man, one small man stay for his small hideout for America, he do action for Boya. The whole Boya now the shake, they report them. They had the whole weather don't say tension, don't come back from Ambazonia capital. But for all the months, when I announced the one for Fako, the court for Limbe will go down. I announced Boya 2 days, Boya the hot, all side the hot. They actually listen. If you guys want the technique, come to me, I will teach you. If you hot in the whole place. If I talk tomorrow, say I want for the Bialen, I will tell at the time specifically, and I'm gonna make sure so I see video for the play with the hot. Yes, I will move boys in anyhow. That's me. I know how this works. And Cameroon must live. So long as I live, Cameroon will go. Yes. But don't know one thing. Paul Kagame them. J.J. Rawlings. All of them. Castro. Now individuals, they take the responsibility. Small battalion. Yes. Now on people say we 100 of it change the game. And we are doing it. Some man will shit down some play, make noise. I already put them handcuff for the hand for my action there. Yes, I did announce and not my birthday. I be talking for my birthday, 14th of June. The whole play with the hot Mezam. Everybody saw what happened in Bamenda. Everybody, they put the issue thief credit, they fear for can't take credit. I talk for Boya the same thing. I don't talk for money. I don't talk everywhere I talk action it happen. Because I know how it works. There's a special squad. I move them anywhere, anytime, quietly, you will not know. They do the action very perfectly. So the game has changed. The game, I need to ask any man for donate for me. No way. I don't ask anybody. I just say if you want to do anything, buying a boot, buying a uniform for the picking. Not give me your money because I never ever get the appetite for touch for my $1. That's it. Yeah. Because I know some of them they. Some of them are put it will come tempt you do this. Once they give you that $100, you go do the two, announce them. They wait like some 6 months. They can't start making noise on Facebook. So, oh, they will do this, they will do that. Then they're not going to, at last, not even get no proof of put out there. So, we know those things and we got to stay on the guard. So, Cameroon got one option. She's going to leave. Not 2 choices. So, apparently, as I don't explain, I don't switch to Boya. So, I will tell now. And tomorrow, suppose they will call the Sakwe Sogo, they will make noise. Me, I be one person. Them say they be government, they compete with me. they compete, they get national TV, they compete views with me. They get press in their country, they compete view with me. One thing I ever know, one thing I say, the way I don't build myself, now God. Now, by the way, any side and thing where the support and I do win. Look at very well. That will be supposed to be the win. That's the truth. Now, test Sako say, Enda will stop for support you, you'll be a dead man. And you the only struggle for getting a relevance. They don't wear this country logo, snap for picture. they go trap themselves. Say, let me tell you one thing that you don't know. Listen very attentively. You know, I just see, we do a WhatsApp group just this morning. I don't even get interest to do the story. Then suppose just share something. Say, oh, you and Moto don't jam some cup with them for in Ben Road. I tell you, not US Moto. Now Intersource. Now Italian NGO. So say, oh no, Intersource exists. Listen, come on, you don't know nothing. So that's how we operate. We have the facts. We know everything that's going on. We decide what to report and what not to report. You know what I reported the priest the ordination? Because La Republic go on to the game tomorrow. So how many they know so we'll be aware. Say those things go on and we don't call for ceasefire for the whole of Kumu. Yes. Okay, just look at now Boya that be dead. Now every time to come raise Boya. But when I claim for WhatsApp group, when I make noise, when I call Sako. See, my turn one thing like my turn the strategy one I don't know. I will still repeat that here and now. Say I want to thank Sisi Kwayok Tabe Julius. as if fire Sako. Because we don't finish. Go for look online, find reports them about Sako for America. Very devastating. Now, as I talk, something will happen for Yaoundé. Very soon way. Now America they do the recommendation. I not talk until it happen. Yes, yeah, very well. I don't talk about some meeting, but I not talk any further. So all we therefore know say it's a waste of time. Me, I'm a visionary. I see. You get the point. I need to go support you in a failure. By now, all of you now, all man will come to accept. See, no matter what they do, there is only one legitimate leadership that put them for jail. Join all them Sisiko, Manchu, Bis and them. Only put our international community fit talk for them. Any other thing, I'm not doing one thing. Why I see people they make noise? Suppose you can online can talk say, like they talk, they did an act stuff where they talk where Sako they did but then. How you go do before for you? Listen, this thing not be diplomatic conflict. Not be diplomatic conflict. Now armed conflict where it require diplomacy. So you maybe why I look all the time look for the confused. So now I talk say with due respect to from Gonji Dinka, yes, of course, he's a very tough man. But for Gonji Dinka not get the power for determining wait till it happen for ground. Boy have not get the power. For now, now only two people that they get power to talk until it happen for ground. The Sisiku come and the Ayabacho come. Why I talk Sisiku come? Because me are the support and Sisiku. Yes. So my actions will be automatically transferred to Sisiku. Yes, by proxy. Of course. You don't know that one. So when I talk say boy, I just finish my plan in my meeting. I want to say more action today for Fako. Unagosiam. So there is no way, never ever. Now when I see Switzerland don't fail, if I become endorse Switzerland, Dr. Cho will surely follow already. But so long as I stand my foot on the ground, my president, I don't have to put foot on the ground. Say no, any negotiation must involve the UN. Now man that we go school and intellectual that. How some person will do the America, when they America, when they Europe, and then what's up when I make noise? You won't go do negotiation with the NGO where Bala Agbo Bala get power pass that NGO. Agbo Bala one, Bala Nkumu Bala one, he get power pass HD. HD now, HD get a terrible failure history for negotiation. Yes. So we all must know that fact. Leadership get jail. No way no they fit change. They don't struggle. Now why are we Sako failure? They be eminent. Okay, you don't want to go bring Abdul Karim, go bring John So for can give opinion for who? John So give opinion for who? Abdul Karim give opinion for who? How many people they follow them? Who know them? No, let's be pragmatic. Let's be realistic. You get the point? Dan sema follow to a carry to John So. I better follow my page where he show dog five the lay air. Don't put in nature, they get more views. So at the end of the day, there is nothing anybody can do. If Sako be then a good man, I will support him. Mash Sisiku very well. Yes. You know why I support Sisiku against Sako? I'll repeat them again. Because number one, Sako not get the charisma. It be very unprecedented. It look primitive, vague. It like some empty space, a cake. Number two, Sako now a pretentious, fictitious man of God. It use now that God thing for fool people. It not be no pastor. Number three, Sako it deceive Ambazonians. It not do no diplomacy. Like say do diplomacy. Now I feel like that is man for now. Number four, Sako chop my trip to Boya. Chop them. I see, listen, you see why God bless people. Now the one she don't quiet, Sako is sure they don't confused. I know put my mouth for Comrade Milan Atam and Comrade John Baku that think gonna two comrades I respect them. But I pick only one thing for two John Baku will talk about Skapak money. He said that way all the money transaction will happen. Sisi Kwayok Taben don't ever be anything for governing council. He did it. He did it. Now, Patterson we did it, and then Milan we did honorary member. Then that's what they disgrace Patterson for that thing. Because Patterson can lie away. Oh, now Ayok Tabe we talk saying the Milan do this and so on. But John Baku talk and very clearly say Ayok Tabe was not even involved. You see how everybody punish people? I say the truth here. Me, Eric Tato. They don't see them. That I tell you say in a tribe, they don't be broken because they see the reality. If Sako be talk, I don't be with Sako. If we talk one eye true from the beginning for the revolution, one eye, I for support you 100%. Yes. Okay, when I look Saturday, calculate that way Ayok Tabe be see the move, the speed where we go. Where you protest, all money come on, move talk through it. People be the fight for go see Ayok Tabe, like how they fight for go see President Trump. Now you see ghost pimples come on your skin. Ghost pimples come on your skin. You may say a baby this time. You say a devil, strong spirited man. We shall get that kind of leader. The man we want near small. Na try about. But for this, every Cameroon government know. Say if you not be take Ayok Tabe. Oh, the thing will not finish. It will not finish. You say Ayok Tabe will go to sing. Sako to go sing church song. See, listen. God day for revolution. But God not then I say, me make yourself say you be because Sako make the people one born. Very weak. Very weak. And these are the things that they think that they can use to destroy this revolution. Now they didn't have a draft. You know why they enjoy the draft? Because they each get a picture for go one county after the other. Now me I create counties. If fight them, but today they use them. But it be failed because we don't dissolve those nonsense. One county after the other, now they do not showbiz. Now the draft will finish, they will go wait now. Now they go draft, they do action for Boya. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. This one na cowardice. Vagabondage. To be honest. I'm not telling you one thing. Sako don't take the money chop. He not get no interest whether I be liberated or not. He interest to hold himself to the bills the way they will pay for America by playing along with the Irene Gwada tactics. Now Irene Gwada move Ojo say commando must respect the old, they go deal with commando. They say and say the Ojo don't leak, they go bring Choma from Minnesota. I don't show a picture. The woman go move Ojo, they say, oh, now throw Ayaba, they won't go cheat, they for the and so on and so forth and so I can't defend them because I lie. Throw Ayaba. Now they you say, Ilana go up, come down. No man of it ever convince me till you ever end. Say Ayaba, to la Republic. If na la Republic, I will not talk. I don't like ADF, not my friend them. Because the guy them be too malicious as well. But their own better because they even be a little bit focused. So make the one be very clear. I don't talk and say La Republic they go away. Now why way all the enablers they be kicked out. We not fail. I be telling all the supposed to oh, if you don't want to go to Switzerland, you are an enabler. No, the real black legs, green legs, they are those who are afraid of the UN Security Council. The real green legs, the enablers, the infiltrators. You see the government now, the tomorrow that you don't see UN Security Council don't come on. Instead, if not be said the La Republic, how you look at condemn UN Security Council in favor of an NGO with Bala big person? Now will be realistic, mommy and papa. Imagine say you give some man 10,000, you give $100. Say me choose. You go choose waiting 10,000. Okay, two things be involved. Either the man be blind. Or he don't know the difference between dollar and CFA. That one will fit understand. So now surely the thing that way you worry because there is a third option. Say they do it intentionally. So either Sako them, they be blind in the brain. They don't know the difference between UN Security Council and HD, or they simply work for the Republic for destabilize the process for lead us to negotiation. Now Kenya don't come in. No, we'll be honest, right? We'll be honest. How you feel leave now UN Security Council don't can call for ceasefire. Say Cameroon must ceasefire. All man must ceasefire. Yet they go bring Karim. Iko is a Muslim scholar. A man who is supposed to represent the truth. That guy is a dog. To be honest. It's a disgrace to Muslimhood. UN go talk. You know the UN? Move forget say they say UN are toothless bulldog. Agree. If you're in a toothless bulldog, means listen, Switzerland will be having dog. Switzerland na waiting, how do you call them? Na goat or na pig. I prefer a toothless bulldog because if you even look man fierce more than a pig. Pig na waiting. In fact, Switzerland even reach pig say better na squirrel. So when I look all the things, I get to know the capacity for failure when the guy the harbor in them. They're finished. I'm telling them, they're only focused in Switzerland. And I still want to repeat them because I don't want me to drag in nonsense narrative anywhere. You were even supposed to put your, if you want independence, bring yourself down. She don't for your chest, so she don't for down. Think for 1 minute, say, but did you Erica to the top? Switzerland and UN Security Council. Now one thing bring la Republic cookie for table. So people can say, oh, you claim say you get an internationally recognized process. Na millipede, some people don't write na millipede, Switzerland is a millipede, which is the truth. You claim say you get an international recognized process from the Swiss. Now they make Swiss a process internationally recognized. Not the America, not the UN Security Council. Then the very Security Council will claim say they back you. You don't talk say no. Now so almost say go Security Council, you see say no more go to Switzerland. you be finger better pass you. Anna for Kumba, don't forget my number. Because there's the problem. Then Karim can talk say, oh, the issue here should be the victim for Ambazonians, not those who take credit. If you didn't want to take credit, you know for everybody jump, you got to take Eli Smith the credit. Because now Eli Smith bring Swiss process in front of Sako. We know the story. We know the story. So I did talk to them, or I did repeat this Swiss thing over and over. Me and Ambazonians, they see the bad luck where person is Sako. La Republic use Sako, all the people they go Musango agency and Mafan they use Sako for doing for the revolution. But it don't be exposed. I be telling now. So now the men go come for every cat saying, I be telling now, repeated now, caution and saying no, Swiss no go ever work. How you feel if UN don't come for the issue? All man will comment UN. Chris Anders still insist on Swiss. What is in Switzerland? Mommy and Papa them. My action is the simple question now when I go church. 1 minute. 2 Christians they fight for PCC Boya town, Muptaso. 2 Christians they fight. Pastor for PC Boya town can they struggle no way. Then there's okay. May they go for moderator. So man say no. Now pastor must solve that point where don't pass pastor. You fear moderator. Between pastor for church and moderator, who will take final decision. Who even going for the small thing for Cali Church? When bishop talk, you priest, you not fit talk. Now so canon law talk. Because bishop they represent a pope. So that's the thing. So it's not like say support the person, okay, from 5 come over Cali Church, then Pope won't intervene, so man say na bishop must serve. But Pope's okay now, this is the if Pope take decision from Rome, which bishop, they at most you will fight, they will be dismissed. So now the thing I want to understand all our refugees, I want to understand, say, we, Ambazonia and La Republic, would they like 2 Christians, they won't put on that way, will fight, will be Catholic Christians, will fight. We don't try to, bishop don't try to solve the problem, no way. Now Pope won't come in. Person way, it is here bad, we know say na it on the right, it is fear for go for Pope. Oh my God. The other man will go tell you, say, deny Pope. Now, La Republic will tell you, because you know, say, Bishop not solve that point. So, the longer I go deal with you for that issue, he will beat you naturally. So, Bishop will just give up. But when you go for Pope, you know, say, it's not end. So, for this case, HD, they're like Bishop. UN Security Council, they're like Pope. One man pass the other man. Now UN Security Council, they take charge for HD. What is HD? So, they're not waiting. So these aspects, they got to be very clear. I want to talk to you about the thing that happened for French Parliament. You know for my jotting, which happened for French Parliament. But I see and say, Dr. Cho don't put flyer. Say we'll talk about them. So I don't talk about them because, by the way, I want to thank one of the top AGC members, AGOFC person where he called me about 2 a.m. here. He tried to give me a hint on it, send me the video, them and look at and so on. So I want to thank you so much. You know, like they ever call him, but just for the sake of courtesy, I will leave and so, but they know which I talk. So we'll be very happy to say they follow up. These are the things that we're supposed to be doing. But like I don't talk, the fact that I appreciate A of C, a person, me don't mean I say me A of C, if you say tomorrow some of the Okan do conspire against Eric Tata because I don't appreciate Dr. Cho today. Oh no, if it's wrong, it's wrong. I hit you hard. So me that go very clear as a message. Say I support the initiative where they be good, where they bring independence. And I will be very happy to say me all man watch Dr. Cho I have a show today. I think therefore I think at 2 p.m. very soon at 2 p.m. Amber time if I'm not mistaken. No, 2 p.m. Is it 2 p.m.? Let me look at it. Let me see what time that show is supposed to be. Well, anyway, when I just check Dr. Cho page, I'll be careful to check that. I'll not get this thing for it. I think I need to look that time. I'll try for share. So we'll follow up for straight to the happen. So I don't talk them very clearly. And make ambassadors they know. And so there is nothing where I will talk. There is nothing where Sarkozy ever do. Yeah, right. Hold on, 1 minute. Okay, we'll just say Paul Biya don't receive special envoy for Congolese President Denis Sassou Nguesso. We have said the evaluation of the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on economies of CIMAC countries. So now Paul Biya that they just my reporter just sent for me now. I think they just come out now probably because the way they call me, just say just happened. So and I have the table say Paul Biya never die, more concentrate for our revolution. So thank you so much. We'll do the story for put them out there as soon as possible. So just 1 minute. Now give me a minute. Quickly, Cameroon's president. Okay. Please keep sharing as you join, okay? Today's Thursday set. Is it? Yeah. July 2. Thank you. Please just share. Give me a minute, you know. Alright, some person don't send me some other message. I will look it up. We'll just share extensively, please. Just share extensively as you join. Alright, keep sharing, please. I'm almost done. Okay, I'll be done in 1 minute. Come on, what is this? Okay. Okay. I want to thank all my, don't be patient. I think we don't end the show, so I'll definitely just try to send out this. Alright, so that's good. Cameroon's President Paul Biya said Thursday, July 12, 2020, he granted audience to Gilbert Ondong with special envoy of Congolese President Sassou Nguesso. All right, thank you, very excellent. Quite okay. I'm back on the show. All right, God bless you. So I'm just to make sure say more verify the news. All right, you don't see what I'm saying for you. You're going to use that. All right, then just read and through. It's good. It's good to go. Post on both pages. Yes, the last thing is not cool. All right. So we'll be very, very happy to say for them be quite patient. So I'll talk on the last thing before I go. I'll be so happy say when I be patient for with me. You know how this job is. Journalism be very, 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 very challenging. All right. So okay. So next show I will talk about Germany and the EU issue as well as the UNSC chairperson. So we'll talk about it on next show, and so that I will try to explain further. So I think say basically what I will explain about this Swiss issue, and thank God say I just do news about BR we just coming. I think one of my reporters today will constantly monitor a page. And we'll be very, very happy. Yes, some person might check time for Dr. Choi show. I think give me a minute, I will check them out very quickly. So that I feed the announcer. Yeah, I will see that flyer somewhere. So I want to check the time so that I will tell all mommy why that should be very important. He will talk about this European French Parliament, their video where they talk something about joining Ambazonia, joining Southwest with this, joining Northwest with this, and so on. So Dr. Chogo replied for the officially. So I began to talk about them, but when I see flyers, okay, it's better make it talk about them. At least you don't watch the video. Now, I mean, it will be a good show, very good show. So I will recommend me all man watch them. So it will be very, very steady. I want to make my tablet just look the time so that I can inform everybody before I close the show. I want to thank all my way. You don't be patient for listening to my show. Give me this 5 minutes where I think I can do some small work online for National Telegraph. God bless you so much. We'll be very, very happy. So, So I check Dr. Cho. I have see wait here right. Dr. Cho. But otherwise, anybody watch the show, watch the show, get me. I see. Okay, cool. Oh no, come on. Okay, I think I'll get them now. Very soon I'll get them. Just for some reason. Oh man. I can't get it. I don't know why. Okay, anybody watch this show, we get that Dr. Choi by flyer. Missing out for me, I announce the time. If you call me on 91, any person can call me 917-480-1068. So if you get a flyer or anything, must see if anybody got a flyer quickly. I think somebody don't post that, I know, I'm not sure. So anybody get a flyer, tell me very quickly. I will announce them before I leave the show. Because right now I don't feel access the page here. I don't know why. Alright. Okay, so that's it. So I mean we'll just monitor. I think maybe in the next 1 or 2 hours or so the show will be on. So check the show. If you know watch them live, watch them later on. So I just try to talk to me all mango, follow that show. So we'll end here. We'll say may God bless all man we watch the show, and we'll thank everybody we don't watch. Thank them for their patience. And so okay, 7 p.m. Thank you so much. Sometimes don't just send me the time. So now 7 p.m. Amber time. God bless you. So Dr. Cho Ayaba will address the reply for the French people that nonsense. 7 p.m. Amber time. Where if you look my time now, normally we're 5 hours ahead of Amber. They're 5 hours ahead of me for Washington. So it will be 7 p.m. Amber. So anytime if you calculate your time. So for Washington DC, it will be at 2 p.m. Washington DC time. So anywhere where they you make sure you go there watch the show. It'll be very important strategy. You must share and put out the comments in. Now so how they operate. NTA be good for revolution, we'll go for push ahead. But I'll continuously remind all we and everybody say the only prerogative of the revolution right now is Sako and Anu them where they don't feel help for do nothing. Now other way they insist to go Switzerland, everyone in Switzerland don't be dead and buried. You don't hear age, they can't talk again. When you and go come here for the talk, age will come on, I can't tweet something. Sako is so going to take and have bring confusion. Take for example, some newspaper don't come away, they call and wait to say Sisiku Ayok T wants Manfe to be a region. That Sisiku Ayok T. Now I may have tweet and say now fake. The paper, if you go read the paper, it talking about Ayok Takunchung John, the former mayor of Manfe. Now the people don't just put as you see Sako is showing the and say, Now you tell me that because they don't get in depth for anything where they write them, they don't know nothing, they only know for conspiracy. So I'm gonna put that one straight up and I'll come tomorrow or next tomorrow for straightening on this issue. Thank you so much. Don't forget 7 p.m. Amber time, Dr. Choi by a show day. As I will still repeat, any agency president officer has not announced Dr. Choi show at the patronize any of them. No. I still classify the agency surrogates on Facebook for the position one I don't ever did. And as I be talk, any of them will cross my path, I will grant on with that tolerance. Thank you so much. God bless you now. Stay faithful to the revolution. Don't forget, one thing remains important. Cameroon has only one option. They got to pack and go, and they must pack and leave Ambazonia. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I will end the show still with what president is in music. His Excellency Sekou Ayoktabe Julius, the only person who like Republic the fear. We even be now revolution for that end. So we'll play music till the end for tell them say we'll think about them anytime.
Sekou Julius Ayoktabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital.
We go hold special show for dark. You know, where we can talk a lot of things, now mix dark inside dark, na special package. But I will still recommend say anybody watch me always go online for go check what they have that contribute because na only platform that way it will help you for liberate Ambazonia. Thank you so much.
And Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. I don't reach out my many. I do. I make it in.
All right, thank you so much. So God bless all my way don't watch this show and bye bye. God bless you. Thank you so much. Excellent show today. God bless you.